OptiMod, the total fibre system designed especially for the cellular industry. At the heart of the system lies OneBox. OneBox is hassle-free. No screws to lose, no doors to fall off, and no tools to drop. Just simply plug and play. OneBox reduces installation time, makes fibre and DC installation error-free. OneBox adapts to separate or hybrid power and fibre cables effortlessly. In fact, OneBox adapts to any kind of cable system. It provides foolproof black box plug-and-play functionality. It's stomp-proof, weatherproof, dustproof, and it's UV and corrosion-resistant. OneBox is a combi cable distribution box that's customizable for 3, 6, or 10 RRUs. It incorporates our foolproof advanced rapid lock HMOD connections for secure, failure-free connections every time. HMOD J connections deliver 40 amp of power and 2 fibre pairs per jumper output, with the option of a spare fibre pair for future upgrade, maintenance and continuity backup. HMOD P delivers up to 400 amp power input to OneBox. Up to 10 pairs of failure-free weatherproof DC connections can be made in seconds with OneBox's rapid lock connection. Fibre input is supplied by up to 2 times 12 pair MPO weatherproof twist-on connections. In addition, OneBox incorporates a separate functional earth, shielding continuity and built-in blanking caps to address major issues present in existing systems. OneBox comes with the option of an external functional earth to bring functional earth serviceability to legacy equipment where no functional earth exists. Hughes hybrid feeder is pressure-proof. It incorporates corrugated aluminium tubing and spiral steel armouring for absolute fibre protection against impact, bird, vermin and other hazards. It's also oversheathed with tough HDPE. Our hybrid cable is UV and corrosion resistant. Hughes hybrid feeder is fitted with our customizable HMOD P connector. Up to 10 40 amp DC pairs delivering up to 400 amps of power can be accommodated in one HMOD P connector. And 1 or 2 separate MPO connections provide up to 24 pairs of fibre, leaving networks with plenty of bandwidth and scalability options. Hughes hybrid feeder configurations are available from 1 DC and 2 fibre pairs, up to 10 DC and 24 fibre pairs, with overshield and functional earth. Fitted with HMOD J rapid lock connectors, Hughes hybrid jumpers incorporate 2 40 amp DC pairs plus 2 fibre pairs with the option of a third pair for future upgrades and continuity backup. Incorporating corrugated aluminium tubing and spiral steel armouring for protection against impact, bird, vermin and other hazards, Hughes hybrid jumpers are pressure-proof too. Tough HDPE oversheathing ensures UV and corrosion resistance. OneLoop is Hughes' unique size-adjustable fibre defence system. OneLoop guards against poor installation practices and weather-induced stress, movements and impacts. OneLoop maintains precise bending radius. It prevents radiation losses from macro and micro bends and total transmission loss from fractures. Hughes' patented locking mechanism allows multiple loops to be aggregated to protect any length of cable. OneClamp is no ordinary clamp. It's the world's most advanced adjustable cable brace. Specially engineered materials reduce microphonic-induced interference and loosening from vibrations and tremors. OneClamp secures cables of all sizes without crushing or deforming them, no matter how strong the linear force is applied. Incorporating a pioneering light touch aperture and delimiting features. other excellent products to improve your transmission line. Hughes have developed a unique algorithm to harmonize cable length and frequency wavelength or phase. Optimizing cable length to frequency in connected cables preserves signal power and mitigates PIM by aligning phase length with cable length. Harmonizing phase and cable length reduces the impact of reflections, non-linearities, and intermodulations caused by phase displacement. The ability to optimize phase angle at connection points throughout the signal channel maintains VSWR, signal power and linearity at the antennae and reduces transmission power requirements. Frequency-optimized jumper cables are available only from Hughes Electronics. Keeping connector interfaces clean in cellular base stations is vital. Its importance cannot be understated. The consequences of dust or water ingress to a connection interface can have dire outcomes for signal-to-noise ratio, linearity, and PIM. Humidity, in particular, is the invisible signal scourge. It destroys linearity and often causes fatal interference. CleanCap, another unique product from Hughes, notifies the user of the presence of humidity almost immediately upon deployment. CleanCap incorporates an intelligent humidity indicator that turns from blue to pink when it detects humidity. CleanCap can save hours of wasted man-hours locating unseen, unidentifiable sources of PIM. OneWrap is rapidly becoming the UK's best-selling connector shroud. OneWrap is cheaper, faster, easier and more flexible than any other shroud. You can even use two OneWraps together to provide inline protection. OneWrap provides protection against all inclement weather. OneWrap is retrofittable. No disconnections required, simply wrap and go. OneWrap fits into compact environs with ease. Suitable for almost all connector type, OneWrap is one size fits all. And more importantly, OneWrap is reusable. Simply depress the latch and OneWrap is good to go again. In passive performance, it's the details that matter. Hughes pay attention to those details. Our products are designed and engineered to improve passive performance. Thanks for considering Hughes.